Now I picked up this clock at Walmart for around $6. It also came with a USB charging outlet, which could add a nice feature to the clock. Now let's disassemble the clock and see what's inside. Here's what you'll find when you open it up. We have the power supply and the charging USB, the control board, the LCD screen, and the buttons to change the settings on the clock. Let's power it up and make sure it still works. All the buttons still work. Here's what it will look like with the wood. Notice how I sanded down the middle so that it shows through the wood better. Here's the wood we're going to be using to make the enclosure. It's a thicker wood. I also found this box at Michael's Arts and Crafts that I figured would work a lot nicer and save me the effort of making the box myself. Now here's the balsa wood that I use on the front of the clock that'll go in front of the LCD screen. Now let's feed the power wire in and put everything into the box. Here's the power unit, and I have the USB charging outlet sticking out the back. Now to make sure everything's not jumbled up in there, I'm going to add some glue around the edges. I'm going to add some glue to the LCD screen so that it sticks to the front. And I'm going to add some wood glue onto the edges to hold on the balsa wood. Now I'm going to add some weight to it and let it sit overnight. Here's what it looks like when it's all dried and finished. Now the edges are a little bit rough, so I'm going to take some sandpaper and just blend it into the rest of the box. If the light doesn't shine through well enough, just sand the front a little bit more. And there you have it. So what does this project cost? Between the alarm clock and all the wood, it came out to around $10–11. Let me know what you thought of the project in the comments below. Be sure to check out my other videos. I cover tutorials on fun projects like the smart mirror and other IoT projects using Alexa.